Let's see how to insert a line in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. So to insert a line, we want to go over to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and as you can see here, we can use a variety of different lines, ranging from straight lines, connecting lines, curved lines, or even freeform lines. So for example, we want to add a normal line. And here, simply click on your document and extend your line wherever you want to. From this one, the Shape Format tab opens up, and here you can format the line. So for example, we want to change its color. We can change it to the color green or any other color that we want. We can also change its weight, we can make it thinner, or we can make it thicker, for example. We can also change how it looks like. We can make it dotted, or we can add arrows at the end if we want to. That is all, and I hope you learned something about adding lines to your document in Microsoft Word. See you soon!